Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Mood Podcast. I'm Nora. Let me ask you something. Do you understand English when you listen, but struggle when it's time to speak? If that's you, don't worry. You're not alone. Today's episode is a long shadowing practice designed to help you speak English more naturally and confidently. Here's how it works. I'll say a sentence. You'll listen carefully. Then you'll repeat it out loud. Not in your head. Out loud. Try to copy my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. Today's lesson is divided into different real-life situations that native speakers use every day. I'll say each sentence twice so you can build confidence while speaking. So relax. Take a deep breath. And let's start speaking English together. Let's start with some common greetings. These are simple phrases people use every day when meeting friends, coworkers, or new people. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. It's been a while. It's been a while. How have you been? How have you been? I've been busy lately. I've been busy lately. What have you been up to? What have you been up to? That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Have a great day. Have a great day. Take care. Take care. See you later. See you later. Great job. Now let's move on to some simple small talk. These short conversations help you sound more natural and keep a conversation going. Let's practice together. The weather is beautiful today. The weather is beautiful today. It's really sunny outside. It's really sunny outside. Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? I stayed home and relaxed. I stayed home and relaxed. I watched a movie last night. I watched a movie last night. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. That's surprising. That's surprising. I completely agree. I completely agree. I think you're right. I think you're right. That's a good point. That's a good point. What do you think? What do you think? Excellent. Now let's practice some daily life English. These are phrases you can use at home, at work, or during your normal routine. Repeat after me. I usually wake up at 7. I usually wake up at 7. I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. I have a busy day ahead. I have a busy day ahead. I'm running a little late. I'm running a little late. I need to leave now. I need to leave now. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. I have a busy day ahead. I have a busy day ahead. I'm running a little late. I'm running a little late. I need to leave now. I need to leave now. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. I'm tired after work. I'm tired after work. I'm going to relax tonight. I'm going to relax tonight. I need some rest. I need some rest. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. Nice work. Now let's practice some useful English phrases you might hear at a coffee shop. These are very common expressions in everyday conversations. Repeat after me. Can I get a latte, please? Can I get a latte, please? I'd like a medium coffee. I'd like a medium coffee. Can I have it iced? Can I have it iced? Would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? That's all for now. That's all for now. How much is it? How much is it? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Your order is ready. Your order is ready. Enjoy your coffee. Enjoy your coffee. See you again soon. See you again soon. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this shadowing practice and finding it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Mood Podcast. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more episodes like this. Alright, let's keep going. Now let's practice some phrases for making plans with friends or family. These are very common expressions that you'll hear in everyday conversations. Repeat after me. Are you free this weekend? Are you free this weekend? Would you like to meet up? Would you like to meet up? That sounds great. That sounds great. What time works for you? What time works for you? Let's meet at 3. Let's meet at 3. See you then. See you then. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. Let's grab some coffee. Let's grab some coffee. That works for me. That works for me. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Let's make a plan. Let's make a plan. Excellent. Let's continue with some useful phone conversation phrases. These expressions can help you communicate clearly during phone calls. Listen and repeat. Hello, this is Nora speaking. Hello, this is Nora speaking. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? The connection is bad. The connection is bad. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Let me call you back. Let me call you back. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Can you speak a little slower? Can you speak a little slower? I'll send you a message. I'll send you a message. Thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Have a great day. Have a great day. Goodbye. Goodbye. You're doing great. For our final section, let's practice some everyday expressions for talking about feelings and emotions. These are simple phrases that can make your English sound more natural and personal. Repeat after me. I'm really happy today. I'm really happy today. I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this. I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm feeling a little nervous. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm getting better every day. I'm getting better every day. I can do this. I can do this. I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling confident. I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. I'm feeling much better now. I'm feeling much better now. Today was a good day. Today was a good day. I'm grateful for this opportunity. I'm grateful for this opportunity. Fantastic. Now let's put everything together. This time, try to speak naturally and confidently. Don't overthink. Just listen and repeat. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great. I need a cup of coffee. I have a busy day ahead. Can I get a latte, please? That sounds great. Are you free this weekend? I'm looking forward to it. Can you hear me? Could you repeat that? I'm really happy today. Everything will be okay. I'm proud of myself. I can do this. Today was a good day. I'm getting better every day. Thank you very much. Have a great day. See you later. Fantastic job today. Remember, speaking English is a skill, and skills improve through practice. The more you shadow, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you for practicing with me. I'm Nora, and this was English Mood Podcast. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next episode.